Hi students, today I am coming with a new question from CBSE 2025 paper. Paper code is 5572, question number 19. The question is, the ratio of the intensities at maxima to minima in Young's double slit experiment is 25:9. Calculate the ratio of intensities of the interfering waves. Now we can discuss the concept first. See, in Young's double slit experiment involves interference of two coherent waves having amplitude A1 and A2. You can write small letter A1, A2 or capital letter A1, A2, there is no problem in that. The key idea is, in the case of these two amplitudes A1 and A2, we want to relate this amplitude and the intensity. There is a relation exists for that one. So in interference, intensity is proportional to the square of the amplitude. Okay, we are going to use capital letter I to represent intensity and the capital letter A to represent amplitude. So I is proportional to A square. For two waves having amplitudes A1 and A2, we can write the maximum amplitude expression as well as minimum amplitude expression. Then we can go to the question after understanding that relation. So for maximum intensity, we can, you know that maximum intensity stands for constructive interference. You heard this one before, right? So for maximum intensity, you can symbolize like this one. I max we can use. Okay. Some people write Im. We write I max is equal to, put in the bracket, A1 plus A2 square. Okay. And for minimum intensity, we can represent the minimum intensity like a capital letter I and subscript MIN we can use. Also, you know that minimum intensity actually representing the destructive interference. You heard the basic, right? There are two type interference exist, constructive and interference. So for minimum, I minimum we can write is equal to A1 minus A2 whole square. So maximum intensity we wrote now, minimum intensity we wrote now. Okay. Now we are going to write the ratio based on question data. So these two formulas are the heart of the problem. So always study the equation. Can we start now? How to solve this one? Always I suggest you have to write what are the data given in the question. In this question, data given the ratio of the intensities, maxima and minima. So I max divided by I minima is equal to 25 divided by 9. Now we will use the formula what we learned before. I is proportional to A square, right? So using the formula A1 plus A2 whole square divided by A1 minus A2 whole square is equal to, given in the question, that is 25:9 or 25 divided by 9. Okay. Now to remove this square, we have to take square root on both sides. So while taking square root on left side, you know that square root and square will cancel. So A1 plus A2 divided by A1 minus A2 is equal to, and right side we apply the square root. Square root of 25 divided by square root of 9, that is equal to 5 divided by 3. Fine. Now this is the time to get values of A1 at. How to solve this one is do a cross multiplication. So we are doing the cross multiplication now. Now cross multiply. So this right side denominator 3 will go to left side numerator. So 3 into A1 plus A2 is equal to 5 into A1 minus A2. Then expand. Must multiply to individual quantity. So 3A1 plus 3A2 is equal to 5A1 minus 5A2. Now take like terms to one side. So A2 we are planning to write left side. 5A2 plus 3A2 is equal to 5A1 minus 3A1. Do the normal subtraction and addition. So 8A2 is equal to 2A1. Now do cross multiplication again. Then you will get that A1 by A2. Okay. So here you are going to get a1 by a2 is equal to 8 divided by 2, that is equivalent to 4 divided by 1 after simplifying. So a1 by a2 got it is equal to 4 by 1. So actually the question you remember, ratio of intensity is given. Now we are going to write the ratio of the amplitudes. So the final answer is ratio of intensities was given and the ratio of amplitude we found it. So write the proper final answer now. Ratio of intensities of the interfering waves, since I is proportional to a square, I1 by A2 is equal to A1 by A2 square. You saw that the basic expression. So we found A1 by A2 value 4 by 1. So square it. So is equal to 16 divided by 1 square remains 1. So the final answer is 16 is to 1. Got it? If you have any question, just post your question in the comment box. I will try to help you in the upcoming videos. Okay? And if you like this video, please share with your friends.